Electronics car accessories review. Are they worth it? So hello everyone, so today's video I'll be doing a review right here for the Electronics car accessories. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there will be a special link in the description below and where you can get special discounts or special promos if you're going to purchase products right here from Electronics. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with the review. So about Electronics, so it is an online platform that specializes in the auto sale of auto parts and accessories. So the company offers a wide range of products including batteries, car lamps, and audio accessories. They have various types of batteries available such as AGM batteries, gel batteries, live PO4 batteries, lawn tractor batteries, and car batteries. In addition, they also provide pre-programmed tire pressure sensors for vehicles, seat heating systems for retrofitting, solar technology products, and car lamps and lights. They also offer free shipping within Germany as well via DPD and DHL. So yeah, the company operates not only through its online shop but also through other platforms like Amazon and eBay. So they ship approximately 500 different items daily within Europe and worldwide to countries like Argentina, Chile, Costa Rica, Australia, and Russia. So for the pros and cons, for the pros, it has extensive product range, it has high quality products, has a user-friendly interface, competitive pricing, exceptional customer service, free shipping, and 30-day return policy. For the cons, which is quite a few, it's only limited specialization and limited international shipping information. So that's pretty much for the review right here for Electronics. So here are some of the products right here that Electronics has to offer, just like this one right here for the battery, and some of these car accessories right here as well. So here's some of the batteries right here, some costing around 179.99 euros. So again, if you want to get special discounts or special promos for these products, make sure to click on the link in the description below. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the review right here for Electronics car accessories. So again, there will be a special link in the description below and where you get special discounts, special promos if you're going to purchase some car accessories right here from Electronics. So that's pretty much it. So if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.